Google just dropped a model that generates text 4 times faster than anything you've probably used, and it runs on hardware you might already own. That is not a headline. That is DiffusionGemma. And I'm going to show you exactly what it does, why it works differently from every other model you've touched, and at the very end, the one use case almost nobody is talking about that turns this into a legitimate service you can sell starting this week. Stick around for that because it changes the math on what's actually possible here. Hey, I'm Paul James. If you're new, I cover free AI tools and how to use them to build real income without stacking subscriptions you can't afford yet. Drop a like and check the description below for my AI Night Shift course. It's 90% off right now, and I put a direct link down there for you. Here's what's actually happening in the AI space right now. Every model you've been using, including the big frontier ones, generates text 1 token at a time. One word, then the next, then the next. It's sequential. It's a pipeline. And that pipeline has a ceiling. No matter how powerful the model is, it can only move as fast as that step-by-step process allows. Google's DiffusionGemma throws that whole approach out. And honestly, let me back up for a second. To understand why this matters, you need to know what diffusion actually means in this context. Instead of predicting the next word in a chain, DiffusionGemma drafts and refines entire blocks of text at once. It's closer to how image generation models work. Start with noise, shape it into something coherent simultaneously across the whole output. That is a fundamentally different architecture, and it shows up in the speed numbers. I know what it feels like to be resource constrained and watching every tool you want come with a monthly price tag attached. I spent time working out of my brother's garage trying to build something, and paying for software before a single invoice arrived was just not an option. That's exactly why a commercially licensed, locally runnable, free model like DiffusionGemma is worth understanding deeply. The people who learn these tools now are not waiting for the right budget. They're building the budget. Google says DiffusionGemma hits over 1,000 tokens per second. For context, that's roughly 4 times faster than a standard language model doing the same task, and it does it on a consumer GPU with around 18 gigabytes of VRAM. This is not a cloud-only model sitting behind an API you pay per call. It's something you can run locally or deploy cheaply. That's the solo operator advantage here. The infrastructure cost collapses. Now let me be straight with you about where it works and where it doesn't. DiffusionGemma is not your go-to for accuracy-critical tasks. Independent benchmarks showed it hallucinating significantly more than the standard Gemma 4 on factual questions. If you're generating content that needs to be precisely correct, legal summaries, medical copy, detailed citations, this is not your tool for that. But here's where this gets real for someone building a service business. Picture this for a solo operator doing social media content creation for 5 local clients. You need to turn around 30 pieces of content a week across different platforms, different tones, different industries. At standard model speeds, that's a workflow that takes hours. With DiffusionGemma running at 1,000 tokens per second on local hardware, you batch that same output in a fraction of the time. And your API cost is near zero because you're not paying per token to a third-party service. That's a retainer client at $400 a month built on infrastructure that costs you almost nothing to run. Most people see a fast model and think, cool benchmark. Here is what you should actually be thinking about. The services that benefit most from DiffusionGemma are the ones where volume is the bottleneck, not precision. Social media content creation, you're not writing research papers, you're writing captions, hooks, post copy. Email marketing, campaigns, sequences, subject line variants, graphic design briefs, and copy blocks that feed into your design workflow. These are deliverables where speed is money, because the faster you can produce, the more clients you can serve without adding headcount. Here's what that looks like with a real number attached. A local gym wants 30 days of Instagram content, captions, hooks, call to action lines, plus a weekly email to their list. You quote them $350 for the month. With a standard model, batching that output takes you 2 to 3 hours of active prompting and cleanup. With DiffusionGemma at 1,000 tokens per second, that same batch takes under an hour, including your review pass. You just freed up 90 minutes of billable time you can put toward a second client. Do that across 4 clients, and the compounding effect is serious. That's not theory, that's math. And here's the thing about email marketing specifically. Most email tools, the ones that charge a monthly platform fee on top of your send volume, do not include AI drafting at this speed. You can undercut their output timeline and their cost structure just by knowing how to use this model correctly. Here is the specific setup that makes this work. DiffusionGemma is available under the Apache 2.0 license, which means you can use it commercially without restriction. You run it through Google AI Studio or locally via Hugging Face. The sweet spot is templated content workflows. You feed it structured prompts with the client's brand voice, tone notes, and content pillars, and it outputs drafts at a pace that lets you review and approve instead of write from scratch. You are no longer the content writer. You are the content director. And if you want to see how I build these workflows end to end, the actual prompt structure, the review layer, the delivery format, I broke all of that down inside AI Night Shift. It's in the description and it's 90% off right now. That is the fastest way to close the gap between seeing a tool like this and actually billing a client for it. Now, most people take a model like this and try to use it the way they use every other model. Same prompts, same workflow, same setup. That's where they leave most of the speed on the table. There's a specific way to structure your prompts for a diffusion-based model that unlocks the real throughput advantage. I'm walking you through that right now. Because DiffusionGemma works on blocks of text simultaneously rather than sequentially, it responds better to prompts that define the full output shape up front. Instead of asking for a caption for this business, you give it the format, the length, the tone, and the context, all in one structured prompt. Think of it as giving a contractor a blueprint instead of just telling them to build something. The model fills in the whole blueprint at once. That's how you get consistent, fast, usable output instead of generic drafts you have to reshape every time. A freelancer I want you to picture, someone who had 0 clients 6 weeks ago, is now running social media management for 3 local restaurants. Not content strategy in some vague sense. Actual deliverables, Instagram captions, Facebook post copy, weekly email to their list. She built the workflow in AI Night Shift, swapped the content generation layer to DiffusionGemma for speed, and cut her production time in half. She's charging $300 a month per restaurant. That's $900 a month on a workflow that takes her roughly 8 hours of work total across all 3 clients. She's now actively pitching a 4th client because she has the capacity. The tool is free, the license is commercial. The bottleneck she had before was just time, and DiffusionGemma eliminated it. Now, I told you at the start, there's one use case almost nobody is talking about with DiffusionGemma, and here it is. Because this model is so fast at structured output tasks, formatting, filling in blanks, editing code, it's actually a strong engine for building custom knowledge bases for small business clients. You take a client's existing content, their FAQs, their product descriptions, their service breakdowns, feed it through DiffusionGemma to clean, restructure, and format it at speed, and then load that into a retrieval layer the client can actually query. That is a custom knowledge-based deliverable. A dentist's office, a law firm, a trades company. Any business with a backlog of unorganized internal content is a candidate for this. You're not writing anything from scratch. You're using the model's speed to process and structure what already exists, then packaging it as a system they can actually use. That's a setup fee of $500 to $1,000 and a small monthly maintenance retainer. The model does the heavy lifting. You charge for the system design. That's a service most people in this space haven't connected to a speed optimized model yet, but now you have. Imagine what your next 30 days look like with this in your workflow. You're not writing content by hand anymore. You're directing a system that drafts at 1,000 tokens per second on hardware that costs you nothing per call. You've got the capacity for more clients, you've got the output speed to deliver faster than anyone charging twice what you are, and you built it on a free, commercially licensed model from Google. That is what DiffusionGemma actually unlocks, not just a fast model, but a production layer that changes what's possible as a solo operator. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now, that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Now go build it.